let's talk about 5 ways to 5 times your cosmetic revenues. So if you want to build a practice your competitors envy, you don't have to rely on luck. You do it with the right mindset, strategies, and consistent execution. So here's something that helps. Check out this step-by-step plan to scale your cosmetic revenues without excessive advertising, even if you're surrounded by competitors. Discover why premium pricing is the secret to getting even better results for your patients. Find out how one simple strategy increases cosmetic patient visits while decreasing overhead expenses. And why redesigning your website, doing endless content marketing, and running magazine ads are the worst ways to attract new cosmetic patients. I can also show you what you can do to create positive momentum today. Plus, you'll know how to do all that while enjoying a fulfilling livelihood, developing lasting relationships with your patients, and enjoying the pride that comes with transforming the lives of your patients. Get all the details at cosmeticpracticevault.com, and I'll see you there.